Thank you for choosing the Kegel maintenance videos. Today, we will be replacing the buffer belt on your Atlas Walker Lane machine. I've taken the liberty of removing the 7-pin side cover. If you need assistance doing this, refer to the side guard removal video. To start, the brush must be in the up position. With Atlas, the machine's home position is up. You'll have an excessive amount of slack on the belt if this is correct. With our 9/16 socket, we will loosen our idler. Once released, we will pull the belt at the buffer pulley and rotate the buffer brush, guiding the belt off the pulley. To replace, take the new belt, loop it around the buffer pulley, fold both ends over under the ZTR wheel and the ZTR shaft support. Route it up to the buffer pulley and spin the buffer brush, routing the belt back on. With the buffer belt now replaced, we will want to move the brush to the down position to set our tension. To do this, we will go to Main Menu, Tests, Output, and finally Brush Lift. To adjust, apply light pressure to the idler and tighten the jam nut in the oil compartment. Once snug, you will want just a little bit of play in the belt. With our buffer belt tension properly set, we will now check for proper rotation of the buffer brush. While still in output test, select buffer. With proper rotation and tension, you can now test the machine on lane operation.